The Electoral Commission of Ghana is set to roll out a special registration exercise for senior high school students, especially because the Gold Track SHS2 and final year students were asked to come back to school and write their final exams. The concern here is, since they are confined in their various institutions, it will be very difficult for them to go and register. Now, the EC is saying they are addressing that concern and bringing the registration to the doorsteps of these SHS students. I am right here at the Chimota Senior High School, one of the schools to benefit from this special registration exercise, and we are asking, what do people make of the EC's decision to register SHS students in their various schools?
I think it's not good, because now if you look at how the coronavirus is spreading, we don't want even the students now to be in the school, so it will be very dangerous for EC to come to the school. So I think it is not good. They should stop. Yeah, even right now, if possible, the students, they have to go back home. Yeah, before things become worse.
Yari ninti nka hu hia se omutso aba no nka so omutsu aba ne to no ehye next year eno de nka mfa ho se ebia yetu ahye eda foforo ne yie mu a ye pa ne sanka yari no betimi afiri ho na ye nyina ye ho atoyen na nka ho to ba na asomdue wo man ni mu a ye to aba no a na ye ntimi madwe nkyira na nkwala na wo school mu nso de nka e wo se omukọ mawofo ho ofie ya hu hia sa nkwala na wo school because wo sha Accra guest die si wa Accra guest ya ani enyan enti sa me se sa me ba wo ho a mekọ sa me ya de me kọ akọfa me ba no enti no sa omukọ school mu ho na social distance nso anya adwuma ya ka ne keke but anya adwuma to see am free hospital Chimota na ebe me quiet me sunsun me ho pa but nkrofon so woto akra na obi pushu na mimpo manyi na kwala ondru same wono na wa sha de asem na de na beto no iti sebe ya nka omu ntwasa na emani nyina mu na next year yen hwese nyame ya adom no de adom ba adom so ema ye o my Ghana wiase nyina na se yare ni twema na nka abato no ya to.
Oh, I think it's a very good idea because they are 18 years above, so they're supposed to even do their card, and so that they get their card, and then anything that they are going to do, they can even use the card to the card can help them to do everything. So I think it's a very good idea.
I think it's a good idea because most of our students who are in school now are about to write their exit exams, and within this period, coupled with the COVID-19 pandemic, it's going to be difficult moving outside the campuses to register so that they can exercise their franchise on the 7th of December. And so I think we should encourage our students to be aware that this exercise will take place. They should take advantage of that, since government will come to their doorsteps to have them registered. And so I think that it's a good idea, and we should encourage it so that we have, especially students who have just turned 18, to be on a register, since most of our young ones, especially at the senior high school level, are those at the brackets that the EC is targeting.